I've received enough comments about me being way too adventurous with makeup even at the office, but I just don't care. Anything you do with your makeup is your form of self-expression. As long as you stick with the corporate rules, I don't think there's anything off about it. Plus, if you want to tone down, you can always wear something really plain like this one. This is your average chiffon top and no print, not any other color, just white. think I'm loving this highlight. It looks so natural. Like, I can see from the viewfinder that it feels like I have this glass skin makeup on me. Was this after powder or before powder? I forgot. Contouring using a bronzer powder. So I'm just gonna Just a little bit. Why don't I try to put on some powder so that we can test if this still looks like glass skin? Yeah, it looks nice, even with powder on. Loving this highlight. It's so nice. So this final look is actually not intended to be something corporate. However, I thought I want to show you how corporate looks can also be adventurous. I actually achieved some sort of colors of the sea with my eyeshadow. So there's a play of blue, a little bit of green, not a little bit, a lot of green, and then some dark blue as well for the eye line. So I hope that you guys appreciate this, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up button and let me know if you have any other makeup tutorials you want me to explore. Again, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Please stay safe. If you need to go out, please wear a mask. Bye!